Hello friends, my name is Matthew, and in this session I want to talk about the div tag. Div, short of the division. We can use this tag to separate a bunch of tags. We can put different tags in this tag, give them a style, and give this tag an ID which is used in the CSS. Okay, I write this tag for you. div, div, opening and closing. Okay, for example, I write a tag outside the div and a tag inside the div tag. Okay, I write p tag, opening and closing, and I write a text session 4 and I copy this and paste here. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that the inside and outside of the div tag can make no difference. The only difference is that we can put bunch of tags inside the div and separate them from the rest of the tags. I want to tell you an important tag, that is style tag. I write this tag, style, opening and closing, style. Okay, if I want to style div tag or other tags, I first write its name tag, div, and then put these symbols. And now write a style for div tag and a style used with style tags to beautify tags. For example, background dash color. For example, red. I save it and I refresh this page. Now you can see the div tag. I delete this. And I write 500 px and height 500 px. Okay, I refresh this page. This is div tag. Okay friends, this session is over. Thanks for watching and you can support me by subscribe button. Goodbye.